Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the FSB Science Contest 2021, the question booklet for grade 9 and 10. Question number 1. A student is investigating the effect of plant on indoor air quality and states if plants are added to an indoor environment, the air quality will improve. Now you have to give the statement according to the whole comprehension lines, that which is the correct one. That is obviously the hypothesis, because this is not a statement, this is a hypothesis. Statement is an example of hypothesis. Question number 2. Now a small table is given over here. Physical adaptation is a result of artificial selection, and that goes for the option number 1. That is, durum wheat is high in protein and gluten, which make it suitable for use in the pasta and bread. Question number 3. Which of the following substances is a strong electrolyte when dissolved in water? So the correct answer here is option number A, NaNO3. Which situation is a good example of the transfer of energy through radiation? Question 4 answer is option number D. A snake's body temperature increases when the snake lies in the sun. Alright, next question. A tennis ball rolled off the edge of a table that was a height of 1 meter. What do you think that horizontal velocity of the ball will be? What kind of that? Number C, 1.6 meter per second. Next question. A schematic diagram of a circuit consisting of 2 resistors is shown below. What is the total resistance of the circuit? Option number B, 3. A pendulum swings back and forth along the dashed path shown in the diagram is instantaneous velocity for the location shown in the given diagram. Now you have to tell from which respect to the bottom of the swing moves. For that, option number D is correct, 2.1 into in this statement. Question number 8. Students choose the setup shown below for a lab activity. The diagram is given over here. The setup is most useful for demonstrating which option? Option number B, that is diffraction. A 0.040 kg ball tied to a string move in a circle that has a radius of 0.7 meter. For that, a picture is given over here and you have to give the answer. If a ball is accelerating at this speed, what is the tangential velocity of the ball? Option number 8, minus 5.50 meter per second. A student releases a ball from a height of 1.5 meter above the floor. Which of the following statement best describe the energy of the ball as it falls? Option number A, its potential energy is changed into kinetic energy. Question number 11. A train passes a stationary observer. Which of the following best describe how the amplitude and the apparent frequency of the sound waves heard by the observer change as the train moves away? For that, option number A is correct, because both the amplitude and apparent frequency increases. Question number 12. Which statement best explains the difference between light waves in traveling through a vacuum and a light wave traveling through a medium? For that, option number B is correct, because light waves travel through a vacuum travel faster than the light waves traveling through a medium. Next, the resistance of a wire can be conducted by which things? And then statement is given over there and 4 options are given. Option number B, increasing and then decreasing. Okay, then there is a small passage. You have to give answer that the best course of action would be which option? That is option number C, because to work to protect baboon habitats in South and North America. Question number 15. Following are different force diagrams. What do you think that which machine is changing the direction of the force being that is applied? For that, option number B is correct. Alright. Next, the diagrams below represent 2 cylinders. 100 millimeter of a liquid was completely transferred from cylinder A to cylinder B. Compared to the liquid that was in cylinder A, the liquid in cylinder B will have. Now you have to give a different option. Option number D is correct one. The same mass and the same volume is the correct answer. Question number 17. A diagram is given over there and a comprehension passage. You have to read it and you have to tell temperature of water in the cans will most likely be Which option? Option number D, higher in the black than in white, because dark colors absorb the heat. A glacier in Alaska has melted back a distance of 100 kilometers over a past of 200 years. 4 stages in this process are shown in the diagram. Now you have to tell which one is correct option. Option number A, because this is the sequence C, D, A and B. Next, 3 living organisms are labeled in the diagram below, and then you have to tell that what do the rabbit, fungus, the tree will have in common. The correct answer is option number D. They all are multicellular organisms. Question number 20. The diagram is showing below the strawberry in the food processor, and you have to tell that the human digestive process is most similar to which activity? That is mechanical digestion. Option number A. Again, question number 21. For 23, you have to read this passage, and then you have to tell what property must this substance possess. Option number C, that is, it is soluble. Next, acid drainage also occurs naturally, and what would be the main difference between acid drainage in mines and which occur naturally? For that, option number B is correct. Question number 23. Acid drainage from mining can be treated before it is released into the environment, for which is the correct statement using a chemical reaction. For that, option number A is correct, adding caustic soda or lime to the water. For question number 24 to 26, you have to read the passage and you have to tell that about the nature of the scientific knowledge from which these two scientists have discovered. Option number B is correct. Current scientific knowledge can be used to explain past observation. Question number 25. Light from very distant object in the universe has changed by the time it reaches the earth. Now you have to tell that this is called the redshift and what causes the redshift. For that, answer number B, option number B is correct. The object producing the light are moving away from the earth at high speed. Question number 26. Why does the radiation from very distant objects help us understand the formation of the early universe? To tell the answer, option number C is correct. Radiation from very distant object that reaches the earth today was formed very early in the history of the universe. Question number 27. The paper ball kept near the mouth of a plastic bottle will be pushed out because option number B, the air pressure inside the bottle is more than that at the mouth. Question number 28. A student investigated how the mass of a plastic disc affected its motion. Now you have to read the passage and then give the correct answer, which is option number D, because the student definitely failed to control the amount of force applied. Next question. If the 4 lenses shown below are made of the same material, which lens has the shortest positive focal length? For that, option number D is the correct one. Question number 30. Emperor penguins lay egg during cold winter, and then you have to tell that many eggs were not kept warm enough to hatch. For that, option number C is correct, that emperor penguin population would definitely decrease if this will happen. Thank you so much for watching the video.